Well, y'all, we got us an audience today. Bunch of dang old nosy Nellies over there. Come on, Cook. I reckon I ought to go to the other side over there and start it over there and let it go. See the wind, the smoke's trailing away. It's giving it a little bit of a leading edge. It'll go in a minute. Now looks like we might get a little bit of burn. Mofo, you better stay out of the way before you become a hot dog.
Back up, Terry.
You better go, mofo. Well, get on if you're getting on. Yeah, it's starting to do a little cooking. Micro cooking. I ain't just scratched me a streak yet. I might stretch a streak right down that side right there. What y'all think? Better run, mofo. Oh yeah, it's starting to get the wind behind it. See it right there? Starting to get the wind behind it. Fire, that smoke and heat move rising, it'll create its own wind. And it'll create its own little tunnel, wind tunnel to burn in. Oh yeah, I feel a big breeze blowing right now. Yeah, it makes it. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Y'all can't feel it, but see the little bushes right there moving? That's the wind that this stuff has created. Kicked off since it started. Oh, it's heading on across there. See if we can shoot the brake right there. See that little fire, break in the fire right here? Let's see if we can shoot that brake. This ain't nothing what I have seen. I have seen wildfires jump 30, 40, 50 foot. Within one wildfire one time, it created its own tornadoes. It had twin tornadoes coming up out the swamp. That's the roundabout fire of 06 maybe. Twin tornadoes coming up out of the swamp. It sounded rough. Had two incidences of that, one on each side, different days. Get over here in the smoke. Side over here better catch up. It's gonna get left behind. I burn a lot of fire breaks over here. So y'all would burn, so get to burning. Of course, we just got about 2 or 3 inches of rain. We just got about 2 or 3 inches of rain a couple of days ago. I don't imagine it's real. wide open about. It ain't just wide open dry. See if we can hit that gap again. Alright, we made it. One more time. We'll ride the front line. Oh yeah. That's burning pretty. Burning pretty. Made it to the point. The wind's pushing the fire in a specific direction, and of course, you know, it's always going to lead to the wind. Look at that right there. That booger right there is starting to ride. That's doing it right there. Smoke side. See if we can cough and hack. I said the smoke. I didn't say the ember. I don't want the ember. And you're gonna get it anyway, it said. See if we can pull us a better streak. Now watch this fire right there. I better move the dang on buggy. I'm gonna burn the buggy. Oh. Yeah, I just burn y'all already. Oh yeah, we got us some far over here now. Look what we finna make. All right. I put far out everywhere. Oh yeah. Got a little bit of volume of fire. It created it a little bit of funnel over here. It went to burning. Now we've been to see my little fire break does any good, because it's almost to my little fire break right here. So we've been to see if all my trouble was worth it. Well, it looks like the far side over there looks like my fire brakes is doing its job. Just burning right here along them. Just like right here, it's met the fire break and it's died back. Or one little spot is. Never do that at home, girls and girls. I really hadn't appreciated how late it was getting and how much green was already underneath. Look at there. Hitting that tall grass right there, and it's rolling now. But that's about over. Get it, get it. Watch out, it's gonna be getting me. Getting a little warm over on this side. Gonna hunt me somewhere to go. Get out of here. Quite an expensive little tarp down here. I think over the other side to see can I get that before the fire scorches it. Better hurry if you're going to do it. Ah. Oh Lord. Ain't safe. Could be a wild firefighter. Not for a leaving anyway. Yeah, we got it. I'm gonna have to put y'all up, folks. I gotta go ride the perimeter real quick. Make sure I ain't losing the containment. I think that's gonna be a wrap on the hay pasture burning. It finally got right. Got a little bit hairy for a minute. I had to leave y'all in the car. It's pretty much over now. Didn't burn the house, didn't burn the chicken pen yet. Didn't burn the hay pile yet. Only like it this little bit right here. And it's coming on along pretty nice. I think I'm gonna let this burn on out. Call it a night for y'all. And say thank y'all for watching Not So Easy Acres. Tell them bye, Nag.